Now we can continue with sharpening the blade. Sharpening the blade twice during a mowing season is usually sufficient and under normal circumstances. Without the causes the blade to dull the quickly. If our lawn has sandy soil, more frequent sharpening may be required, of course. We make sure that the blade remains balanced. We sharpen the blade at the original cutting angle. We sharpen the cutting edges on both ends of the blade itself. We remove an unequal amount of material from each end because of the balancing. Of course, we have to remove the blade from the mower first. Then we secure the blade in a vise. We wear proper eye protection and gloves and be careful not to cut ourselves. We carefully fill the cutting edges of the blade with a fine tooth file or sharpening stone. We maintaining the original cutting edge angle. To check the blade balance, we clamp a nail or a screwdriver with a round shank in the horizontal position. We position the blade so that the nail or the round shank of the screwdriver supports the blade through its center hole. We balance the blade horizontally. If either end of the blade rotates downward, we remove some material from the heavy or lower end until the blade is balanced. It is balanced when neither end drops. And then we balanced and we sharpen our blade of our device, the lawnmower, and we can continue with, for example, the installation process immediately. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.